Thank you for joining me and welcome to my podcast Astro Vedic Wisdom Astrology. This is my last episode on Rahu and Ketu transit 2020 effects on all zodiac. Today I will talk about the effects of Rahu and Ketu transit on Pisces ascendant peoples. Rahu and Ketu recently changed their sign on September 23, 2020 and currently Rahu transit in Taurus sign and Ketu transit in Scorpio sign and it will be remain there until April 2022. Rahu Ketu transit affects to Pisces ascendant, the 12th sign of the zodiac. Currently Rahu in 3rd house and Ketu in 9th house of Pisces ascendant. 3rd house represents power, courage, determination, wisdom, short-term travel, relationship with siblings, relatives and writings. Transit of Rahu through the 3rd house makes the person fortunate. His efforts will be rewarded and he will get great success in life. This period will bring growth and wealth in your professional front and there are possibilities of getting a promotion or you may even get an opportunity of a new job. You will be financially powerful in this period as this transition is favorable for you. For salaried individuals, this period will bring good chances of increment too. Your communication skills will help you convince your superiors and subordinates to support you to grow and move forward. Rahu in 3rd more inclined towards learning new things and acquiring knowledge with his own efforts. Rahu transit over the area of self-will, while Ketu resides in the house of religion and father. There may be real karmic issue with parents and siblings and you will need to work out the problems and then let them go. Ketu transit 9th house is excellent for dharmic and spiritual pursuits. Ketu in 9th house will give religious travel which will bring peace and growth in family. You need to visit any pilgrims in this time period which will give great luck and energy to you. Overall, this transit of Rahu and Ketu will prove to be favorable for you. You will grow and earn good wealth and all your wishes and desires get fulfilled. And you will attain happiness and prosperity in this transit period. So that's all for the Pisces sign. The Rahu and Ketu effects are more prominent when a person is passing through Rahu and Ketu or Dasha or Antardasha. Thank you. That's all for the day and thank you for listening my all episodes on Rahu and Ketu transit 2020. Interested people can contact me for detailed and thorough analysis of their birth charts, horoscope and kundli. For consultation, you can contact me on my email address astrovedicwisdom@gmail.com. Astro, A-S-T-R-O, Astro Vedic, V-E-D-I-C, Wisdom, W-I-S-D-O-M, astrovedicwisdom@gmail.com. I will post more podcasts on astrology learnings, events and astro remedies very soon. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.